Before powering up your machine, perform a visual inspection to make sure everything looks to be in good order, that there are no exposed wires or open panels, and nothing is leaning against the machine or resting in its rails. Make sure all personnel are clear of the machine before powering it up. If everything looks satisfactory, turn on the power at the main breaker. If you have a tilting turntable, you will power up your Yukon 2 and your hydraulic power unit. On the operator panel, disengage the E-stop by pulling it out. Then press the System On button. Notice that the green light remains on after you release the button. On the touch screen, press the Home Machine button. Cross Travel Assembly will move to its highest and farthest position to establish a reference point that will be used as a guide for cutting. Once the homing operation is complete, the home machine indicator will read Homed. This must be done each time the machine is powered on. To power off the Yukon 2, push in the E-stop button. The machine has been shut down, and you now can turn off power at the main breaker. It's a good idea to disconnect the power to the machine overnight to protect it from lightning strikes or power spikes. Also, before attempting any repairs or maintenance, be sure to follow any lockout or tagout policy your company might have.